Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic non-homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, and here particular integral will be sin ax or cos ax. Let us see here the general solution. This is the concept first. Understand the concept. General solution will be complementary function plus particular integral. So first, how to solve complementary function CF? It will be homogeneous differential equation, that is quadratic equation. So here m1 m2 be the roots. If the real and distinct roots means different, m1 m2 are different, then complementary function is c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. If they are repeated roots means same value, m1 m2 is equal to same, so complementary function cf is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power of mx. If they are complex roots, cf will be e power of alpha x bracket of c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Now this is regarding complementary function cf. Now particular integral. So always the particular integral formula is pi is equal to x by f of d. So what x will be either sin x or cos ax, f of d will be your quadratic equation. So here substitute d square is equal to minus a square. D square is equal to minus a square. So depend upon some situations are there or scenario. See here, when particular integral x by f of d, put d square is equal to minus a square in the given problem. So after simplify, you will get the answer. This is first scenario or first situation. Next, second situation, put d square is equal to minus a square in the given problem. After simplify, you will get 1 by d form. 1 by d means integration of dx. If d is there, it is d by dx, derivative. 1 by d means integration of dx. So if you get 1 by d, integrate it, you will get the answer. Situation 3, put d square is equal to minus a square in the given problem. After simplify, you will get 1 by a plus or minus d. Okay, so here multiply or divide by a minus of plus of d and simplify, you will get the answer. Next situation, put d square is equal to minus a square in the given problem. You will get f of minus a square is 0. Then use the formula x by 2a sin ax and minus x by 2a cos ax. Next situation, here the x, that particular integral x, will be sin square x cos square x. So you will use sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Next situation, use d cube is equal to d square into d. D power of 4 is equal to d square into d square, like that. And wherever d square is there, substitute minus a square and proceed. So you will get the answer. These are the different situations in this video. Let us begin. Before this topic will start, subscribe my YouTube channel Maths Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. Now let us go for about our topic. Solve d square minus 9 of y is equal to cos 3x. So solution, this is our f of d square minus 9 and x is equal to cos 3x. First part, complementary function CF. Auxiliary equation of f of dy is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Wherever d is there, replace with m. So m square minus 9 equal to 0. 9 can be written as 3 square. So a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. M minus 3 into m plus 3 equal to 0. Send these to that side. It become plus 3 become minus 3. Minus 3 become plus 3. Both are different. Means real and distinct roots. So m1 equal to minus 3. M2 equal to 3. Our complementary function will be c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. Substitute the values. Cf is equal to c1 e power of m1 minus 3x plus c2 e power of m2 3x. This is our Cf. Now particular integral. So what is our particular integral formula? X by f of d. So particular integral means x by f of d. Pi is equal to x means cos 3x. F of d means d square minus 9. So what is the first step? Put d square is equal to minus a square. Minus as it is a is here 3. So minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means minus 9. So d square is equal to minus 9. Here d square. So we will substitute minus 9. Cos 3x by minus 9 minus 18. So minus will come in the numerator. Pi is equal to minus cos 3x by 18. Our complete solution or general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function, this one c1 e power of minus 3x plus c2 e power of 3x plus particular integral minus cos 3x by 18. So all will be same, plus into minus minus. This is our answer. Next question. Solve bracket of d square minus 49 of y is equal to sine 2x. Solution, this is f of d equal to d square minus 49 and x is equal to sine 2x. First complementary part. Auxiliary equation of f d of y equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Means m square minus 49 equal to 0. 49 means 7 square. So a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. M minus 7 into m plus 7 equal to 0. Send these to that side. Plus 7 become minus 7. Minus 7 become plus 7. Both are different. Means real and distinct roots. So m1 equal to minus 7, m2 equal to 7. Complementary function will be c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. m1 is minus 7, m2 is 7. So this is our Cf. So what is our particular integral formula? Pi is equal to x by f of d. X means sine 2x. F of d means d square minus 9. So what is the situation here? Put d square is equal to minus a square minus a will be 2. So minus 2 square minus 4. So it means d square is equal to minus 4. Here sine 2x by d square means minus 4. Minus 4 minus 49 minus 53. So particular integral is minus of sine 2x by 53. General solution is Cf plus Pi. Cf will be c1 e power of minus 7x plus c2 sine 7x. Particular integral minus sine 2x by 3. So this is our first situation where d square is equal to minus a square. Substitute, you will get the answer. Now next situation. Solve d square plus 2d plus y bracket of y equal to sin x. So f of d is equal to d square plus 2d plus 1 and x is equal to sin x. Okay. This is sine x, not 2. Now auxiliary equation of f of d of y equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Using factorization method, 1 can be written as 1 multiplied by 1. If we add 1 plus 1, 2. So this will be written as 1 m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these to that side, it become minus 1 minus 1. Since both are same, it means it is repeated roots. Complementary function is c1 bracket of c1 plus c2x into e power of mx. What is m? Minus 1x. Now particular integral formula is x by f of d. Pi is equal to x by f of d. What is x here? Sin x. F of d, d square plus 2d plus 1. So here put d square is equal to minus a square, minus as it is a means sin 1x means 1. 1 square 1. So d square is equal to minus 1. Substitute here, pi is equal to sin x by d square plus 2d plus 1. D square value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2d remain in the denominator. So I can write as 1 by 2, 1 by d of sin x. 1 by d of sin x. 1 by d means integration of dx. So integration of sin x minus cos x. So plus minus 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 cos x by 2. This is our pi. General solution will be complementary function plus particular integral. CF c1 plus c2x e power of minus x plus pi minus cos x by 2. Now next problem. Solve bracket of d square minus 4d plus 4 of y is equal to cos 2x. First part completive CF, second is pi. So auxiliary equation of f d of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So this will be m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Plus 4 using factorization method. 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. Here I need minus 4. So minus 2 minus 2. So this quadratic equation can be written as m minus 2 equal to 0. Send this to that side, it become plus 2 plus 2. Both are same. Same means repeated roots. Complementary function will be bracket of c1 plus c2x bracket close e power of mx. M is 2. So CF is equal to bracket of c1 plus c2x bracket close e power of 2x. Next part pi. Pi means particular integral. So particular integral is x by f of d. X means cos 2x, f of d, d square minus 4d plus 4. What is the method? Put d square is equal to minus a square. Minus as it is, what is a? Here it is 2. Cos ax means a is 2. 2 square minus 4. So cos 2x by d square means minus 4. Minus 4d plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Cos 2x by minus 4d. So this I can write as 1 by minus 1 by 4 into 1 by d cos 2x. Minus 1 by 4 as it is 1 by d. 1 by d means cos integration cos 2x. So integration cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So pi is equal to minus 1 into sin 2x minus sin 2x by 4 2s are 8. So general solution will be CF plus pi. CF is bracket of c1 plus c2x e power of 2x plus integral pi is minus sin 2x by 8. So this is second scenario. Okay, now let us check the third scenario. Solve d square minus d minus 2 of y is equal to cos x. F of d is equal to d square minus d minus 2 and x is equal to cos x. Auxiliary equation of f of d of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So this equation m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0. Using factorization method, this minus 2 means 2 multiplied by 1. Since I need minus 1, so minus 2 plus 1. So this will become m minus 2, m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these two that side, minus 2 become plus 2, plus 1 become minus 1. Both are different. So real and distinct roots. So m1 equal to minus 1, m2 equal to 2. So complementary function is c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. m1 minus 1 into x, m2 2 into x. So cf is equal to c1 e power of minus x plus c2 e power of 2x. This is our cf. Now part B, particular integral. Particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means cos x by f of d means d square minus d minus 2. So here put d square is equal to minus a square minus a is 1 cos 1x 1 square is minus 1. So wherever d square is there, substitute minus 1. So cos x 1 by d square means minus 1. So minus 1 minus d minus 2. So here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus d. So minus d minus 3, take out minus common. So minus 1 by d plus 3 into cos x. So here d plus 3 is there. So divide and multiply by d minus 3. All this will be same, minus 1 cos x by d plus 3 divided and multiply by d minus 3, d minus 3 by d minus 3. So multiply in the numerator, minus cos x into d, minus will be outside, cos x into d cos x minus 3 as it is, cos x into 3 cos x by d plus 3 d minus 3 a plus b into a minus b. It means d square minus 3 square minus outside d cos x, d means derivative of cos x minus sin x minus 3 cos x as it is by d square. What is our d square value? Minus 1. So minus 1 minus 9, 3 square is minus 9. So minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 here, and this minus and this minus, it will become, so answer will be minus yani minus outside sin x plus 3 cos x by 10. So general solution cf plus pi. What is our cf value? c1 e power of minus x plus c2 e power of 2x plus pi minus 1 by 10 sin x plus 3 cos x. Now next question, third situation. Solve d square minus d minus 2 of y is equal to sin 2x. F of d, d square minus d minus 2, x is equal to sin 2x. First cf value, auxiliary equation of f dy is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. It means m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0. Using quadratic using factorization method, minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1, m minus 2 m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these two that side, it become plus 1 become minus 1, minus 2 become plus 2. Both are different. Different means real and distinct roots. m1 equal to minus 1, m2 equal to 2. So complementary function is c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. m1 is minus 1x, m2 is 2x. This is our cf value. So what is our particular integral formula? Pi is equal to x by f of d. X means sine 2x. Fd means d square minus d minus 2. So here put d square is equal to minus a square. Minus as it is, what is a? Here 2. Sine ax means sine 2x. 2. Minus 2 square minus 4. So Pi is equal to sine 2x by d square. D square is minus 4. Minus 4 minus d minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus d of minus 6. Take out minus common and it will go to the numerator. So minus sine 2x by d plus 6. Since d plus 6 is there, so divide and multiply by d minus 6. Okay. Divide and multiply by d minus 6. So now minus sine 2x into d minus d sine 2x. Minus sine 2x into minus 6 plus 6 sine 2x by d plus 6, d minus 6 means a plus b into a minus b. So d square minus 6 square, 6 square is 36 minus numerator minus d derivative of sine 2x, 2 cos 2x plus 6 sine 2x as it is by d square. D square value is minus 4 minus 6 square 36. So numerator minus 2 cos 2x plus 6 sin 2x by minus 4 minus 36 minus 40. Minus will come in the numerator. And here 2 is there, 6 is there. So take out common 2. So when you take out common 2, 2 by 40 means 1 by 20. Okay. Now since minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. So this is cos 2x minus sine 2x. Cos 2x minus 3 sine 2x. So general solution formula CF plus PI. What is CF? C1 e power of minus x plus C2 e power of 2x plus PI 1 by 20 cos 2x minus 3 sine 2x. Okay, this is third situation. Now let us go for fourth situation. Solve d square plus 9 of y is equal to cos 3x. This is f of d and this is capital X. First CF. So auxiliary equation of f of d of y equal to 0 is fm equal to 0. So m square plus 9 equal to 0. Send plus 9 there, it become minus 9. So this 2 square, when you go send that, it become square root. Minus 9 can be written as minus 1 into 3 square. So 3 square is 3, root of minus 1, that is I. So this I can write as 0 plus or minus 3i. I means complex roots. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 3. Complementary function is e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0 into x, c1 cos beta, beta means 3x plus c2 sin beta x 3x. E power of 0 into x 0, e power of 0 1. CF is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Now we will move for PI. So particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means cos 3x, fd d square plus 9. So what is the procedure? Put d square is equal to minus a square. Minus as it is a means 3 square minus 9. So wherever d square is there, substitute minus 9. So cos 3x by d square minus 9 plus 9, minus 9 plus 9 0. Cos 3x by 0 means here this case is failure, means f of minus 9 equal to 0. So what is the formula? Since here it is cos 3x, so f of 1 by f of d square cos ax. The formula is x by 2a sin ax when f of minus a square is equal to 0. This is f of minus 9 equal to 0. Now substitute here x as it is by 2 a means 3 sine 3x. So x sine 3x by 2 3s are 6. This is pi value. So general solution is CF plus pi. What is CF? This one. C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x plus pi x sin 3x by 6. Okay. Same question for situation 4. Solve d square plus 4 of y is equal to sin 2x. This is f of d square plus 4 and x is equal to sin 2x. First CF value, auxiliary equation of f of dy is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. M square plus 4 equal to 0. Sin plus 4, that side it become minus 4. Square, when it come here it become square root. Square root of minus 4 means minus 1 into 4. So minus root minus means I. Square root of 4 2. So this I can write as 0 plus or minus 2i. I means complex root. So alpha is 0, beta is 2. So CF value is e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0, beta means 3, beta means 2, beta means 2. So e power of 0 into x 0, e power of 0 1. CF is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Now particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means sin 2x by f of d square plus 4. Method is put d square is equal to minus a square. Minus as it is, a means here 2 square 4. So d square value is minus 4. Substitute here sin 2x by d square is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. It means my f of minus 4 is equal to 0. Since f of minus a square is equal to 0, we have, since it is sin 2x, 1 by f of d square sin ax value is minus x by 2a cos ax. Pi is equal to minus x cos a means 2, cos 2x by 2a, a means 2. So pi will be minus x cos 2x by 2 2s are 4. General solution will be CF plus pi. CF means this one, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Pi value minus x by 4 minus x by 4. Okay, cos 2x. This is the third situation. Okay. Now fourth situation, where x will be sin square x or cos square x. Solve d square plus 4 of y is equal to sin square x. F of d is equal to this one and x is equal to this one. Auxiliary equation of fd of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Here all this d value will be m. Okay, this all d means m. Okay, so m square plus 4 equal to 0, send it will become minus 4. So plus or minus root 4 means minus 1 into 4, that is 2i. 2 means 0 plus 2i. Okay, so this is complex root, alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 2. So e power of alpha x. Okay, so alpha is 0 into x, c1 cos beta, beta means 2x, beta means 2x. So this is our CF value. Now particular integral, pi is equal to x by f of d. X means sin square x by f of d square plus 4. 1 by d square plus 4 as it is, but sin square x, the answer is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this 1 by 2 take outside 1 by 2, multiply this 1 by d square plus 4 1s are 1 by d square plus 4 minus 1 by d square plus 4 into cos 2x by d square plus 4. Now here it is 1, so 1 means it will be e power of 0. First I will show you this. So wherever d is there, substitute 0. So here 0 square 1 by 0 square plus 4. E power of 0 is 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So 1 by 0 square 0, 0 plus 4, 4. Okay. Now this is the procedure for this. Now here cos 2x. So what is the cos ax rule? Put d square is equal to minus a square. A is 2. So minus 2 square minus 4. So d square will be minus 4. Here substitute cos 2x by d square minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 0 means f of minus 4 equal to 0. Here since f of minus a square equal to 0, cos 2x means 1 by f of d square cos ax will be x by 2a sin ax. X as it is 2, a is 2 sin 2x. Now multiply this 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into x by 4, x by 8 sin 2x. General solution will be CF plus PI. CF is here C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x plus PI 1 by 8 minus x by 8 sin 2x. Now similar d square plus 9 is equal to cos square x. Okay. Solve bracket of d square plus 9 of y is equal to cos square x. So f of d is equal to d square plus 9, x is equal to cos square x. Okay. Now auxiliary equation of f dy of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 9 equal to 0, plus 9 send to that side, it become minus 9, square become square root. So minus 9 will be minus 1 into 9, minus square root of minus 1 is I, root 9 3. So it means 0 plus or minus 3i complex root, alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 3. So CF will be e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha is 0, beta means here 2, here 2, here 3. E power of 0x c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. E power of 0 1, 1 multiplied by this. CF answer is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Now particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means cos square x, f of d means d square plus 9. So 1 by this. But cos square x formula we know that 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this 2 I will take it outside, it become 1 by 2. Multiply this 1 into this one, 1 by d square plus 9. This one I will write as e power of 0 plus multiply this to cos x, cos 2x by d square plus 9. Now here e power of 0, wherever d is there substitute 0. Solve this here, d means 0, 0 square plus 9. So e power of 0 1, 1 multiplied by 1 1, 0 square plus 9, 0 square plus 9 9. This is 1 by 9 for this value. Now cos 2x by d square plus 9. What is the procedure? Put d square is equal to minus a square. A means 2 minus 2 square minus 9. It means wherever d square is there minus 4. So cos 2x by d square is minus 4 plus 9. So minus 4 plus 9 is 5. open the bracket, 1 by 2 into 1 by 9, 1 by 18 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2x by 5, cos 2x by 10. So general solution will be complementary function plus pi. Complementary function is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus pi 1 by 18 plus cos 2x by 10. Now next question will be d cube or d power of 4. Okay, see here, solve d cube plus d bracket of y is equal to sin 2x. So f of d is equal to d cube plus d and x is equal to sin 2x. So first part CF, auxiliary equation of fd of y equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Here d cube plus d means m cube plus m equal to 0. Take out m common, so m cube will be m square, m become 1 is equal to 0. It means m is equal to 0 and m square plus 1 equal to 0. This is real and sticks. So this is first value. Next m square plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1 sent to that side, it become minus 1. Square become square root. So root minus means 1i. I means complex root. So 0 plus or minus 1i. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1. Here CF, since power is 3, we have 3 different values. This is first value, second and third. So CF, C1 e power of m1x for this, plus here it is complex, e power of alpha x, C2, this is C1, C2 cos beta x plus C3 sin beta x. C1 e power of m1, m1 is 0 into x, plus e power of alpha, alpha is 0 into x. C2 cos beta, beta means 1x, plus C3 sin beta means 1x. So CF will be e power of 0, 1, 1 into C1 plus, C2 cos x plus C3 x, C3 sin x. This is our CF. Now particular integral. What is our particular integral? X by f of d. X sin 2x, f of d 1 by d cube plus d. Okay, since d cube is there, we will write as d square into d. Since sin ax is there, put d square is equal to minus a square. A will be 2, so minus 2 square minus 4. So d square minus 4 into d plus d. Minus 4d plus d minus 3d. So minus 1 by 3 into 1 by d sin 2x. 1 by d means integration of sin 2x dx. So integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2. So pi will be minus into minus plus cos 2x by 3 2s are 6. General solution is CF plus pi. CF is this one. C1 plus C2 cos x plus C3 sin x plus pi cos 2x by 8. Now next, solve d power of 4 minus 1 of y is equal to 4 sin x. So f of d is d power of 4 minus 1, x is equal to 4 sin x. Auxiliary equation f of dy is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Here m power of 4 minus 1. Power 4 means square into square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So it is a square minus b square. So m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here we have two values, m square minus 1 equal to 0, m square plus 1 equal to 0. First solve this. This is a square minus b square, m minus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these to that side, it become minus 1 become plus 1, plus 1 become minus 1. Now for this m square plus 1 equal to 0, plus 1 sent to that side, it become minus 1. Square becomes square root. Square root of minus 1 is 1i. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1. For these two, CF will be C1 e power of m1x plus C2 sine C2 e power of m2x, plus for these complex root e power of alpha x C3 cos beta x plus C4 sin beta x, since power 4 C1 C2 C3 C4. Now substitute value C1 e power of m1 minus x plus C2 e power of m2x, m2 is 1 into x, plus e power of alpha x, alpha is 0, C3 cos beta means 1x, C4 beta means 1x. So CF value is C1 e power of minus x plus C2 e power of x plus e power of 0 is 1. Answer is C3 cos x plus C4 sin x. Now next move to particular integral. So particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means 4 sin x by f of d means d power of 4 minus 1. For this d power of 4 minus 1 means square and square. So d square minus 1, d square plus 1. Here we know that d square is equal to minus 1. So this d square minus 1 minus 1, d square minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 means 4 sin x by 0. It means f of minus 1 is 0. So we have a formula f of minus a square is equal to 0 is, since it is sine, 1 by f of d square sin ax is minus x by 2a cos ax. Pi will be here 4 sin x by 2. This one, since, so 4 sin x, first here d square means minus 1 into minus 1, d square plus 1 as it is, 1 by 5 square. You will remember my previous video in particular integral. So minus 1 minus 2. For this substitute here, for this minus x 2a by 2a, 2 into 1, since 1 is there, cos 1x. So 4 by minus 2 minus x by 2 multiplied by 2 cos x. 2 cancel, minus into minus plus particular integral x cos x. So general solution formula CF plus PI. CF is this one plus Pi value is this one. Okay. Next, last question. Solve d square minus 4d plus 3 of y is equal to sin 3x cos 2x. F of d is equal to d square minus 4d plus 3 and x is equal to sin 3x cos 2x. First we will see CF value. Auxiliary equation f of dy equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Here m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Using factorization method, 3 means 3 ones are 3. I need minus 4. So minus 3 minus 1. M minus 3 m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these to that side, it become plus 1 become minus 1, minus 3 become plus 3. Both are different means real and distinct roots. CF C1 e power of m1x plus C2 e power of m2x. m1 is minus x, m2 is 3x. Now since x is sin 3x cos 2x, here we will divide and multiply by 2. So 1 by 2, this is 2 sin 3x cos 2x. Since we have a formula 2 sin a cos a, it will be sin sum plus sin difference. So this 1 by 2 as it is, sin sum, sin of 3x plus 2x plus sin difference, sin 3x minus 2x. So sin 3x cos 2x value will be 1 by 2 sin 3x plus 2x 5x plus sin of 3x minus 2x 1x. This is our x value. Now we will go to solve Pi value. So Pi particular integral formula is x by f of d. What is x here? This one, sin 3x cos 2x by d square minus 4d plus 3. But this, I have solved this here. Sin 3x cos 2x value. What is this? 1 by 2 sin 5x plus sin x by d square minus 4d plus 3. Since 1 by 2 is constant, take outside 1 by 2. Now here split this. Sin 5x by d square minus 4d plus 3 plus sin x by d square minus 4d plus 3. Okay, since sin x method is there, for this both d square is equal to minus a square, but here a is 5, so d square is equal to minus 25. For here a is 1, so d square is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. Now substitute 1 by 1 separately so that you will get the answer. So sin 5x by d square means minus 25 minus 4d plus 3. Minus 25 plus 3, that is minus 22. Minus 22 minus 4d, take out minus 2 common, so 2d, 4d become 2d, 22 become 11. Okay, so this 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 1 by 4 sin 5x by 2d plus 11. Since 2d plus 11 is there, divide and multiply by 2d minus 11 by 2d minus 11. So minus 1 by 4 adds outside as it is. Sin 5x into 2d sin 5x minus 11 into sin 5x by a plus b into a minus b, 2d square minus 11 square. 2 as it is, d means derivative. Derivative of sin 5x cos 5x into 5 minus 11 sin 5x as it is by 2 square 4 d square means minus 25 minus 11 square 121. Okay, so minus 1 by 4, 2 5s are 10 cos 5x by minus 11 cos 5x by 4 into minus 25 minus 100 minus 121 means minus 221. So minus 1 by 4 into this one, 1 by 884, 10 cos 5x minus 11 sin 5x. Now I have solved this for the convenience. Now I am showing you so that you can get clear answer. Here d square, what is d square value is minus 1. So d square is minus 1. Sin x by minus 1 minus 4d plus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 4d, take out 2 common, 2 into 1 minus 2d. So since it is here 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4. Sin x by 1 minus 2d, so divide and multiply by 1 plus 2d by 1 plus 2d. 1 by 4 outside as it is. Sin x multiply by 1, 1 into sin x plus sin x into 2d, 2d sin x by 1 minus 2d into 1 plus 2d, 1 square minus 2d square. 1 into sin x plus 2 derivative of sin x cos x by 1 square 1 minus 2 square 4 d square. What is d square? Minus 1. So sin x plus 2 into cos x, 2 cos x by 1 minus into minus plus, since d square is minus 1, so 4 ones are 4 plus 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 4 multiplied by 5, 20. So this is our pi value. So CF, general solution is CF plus pi. CF is this one, C1 e power of minus x plus C2 e power of 3x plus pi 1 by 884 10 cos 5x minus 11 sin 5x plus 1 by 20 sin x plus 2 cos x. So this conclude our topic. At last, again I am telling you, subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. That's all.